Hey everyone, welcome back. If HBO Max opens but won't play videos, this is usually related to internet issues, app bugs, or playback settings. So here's how to fix them. First, check your internet speed. HBO Max requires a stable connection to stream properly. Pause the video and then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the HBO Max, swipe it away, then reopen it to fix some temporary glitches. Then go ahead and turn off VPN services if you're using one, as HBO Max may block playback through VPNs. Lower the video quality from the app setting if your connection is slow. If the problem continues, go ahead and log out of the app, restart your phone, then log back in. After these steps, videos on HBO Max should start playing normally without any errors. So follow these steps to remove the errors. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.